This video explains SP-401S monitoring via the GSM interface. It covers SIM card installation in UR201 and demonstrates how to use GSM monitoring commands and read system responses by SMS. The GSM function allows remote control and monitoring of the SP-401S lighting system through mobile network communication. This feature is mainly used at unmanned airfields where ATC tower personnel are not always available to operate and monitor the airfield lighting system. It operates through SMS commands exchanged between the operator's phone and the UR201 control and monitoring unit. The UR201 is equipped with a default GSM antenna that provides reliable network connectivity under standard operating conditions. For locations with limited network coverage or where stronger signal reception is required, a higher gain antenna can be requested from S4GA. The upgraded antenna can replace the standard one and significantly improve GSM performance. The antenna must be installed in an open, elevated area free from nearby obstructions such as walls or metal structures, to ensure stable signal transmission and reception. For more information on how to install the GSM antenna, refer to the UR201 installation manual. The GSM function requires a valid standard size SIM card installed inside the UR201. The SIM card must have active text messaging capability and network coverage in the operating area. Before opening the front panel, disconnect the UR201 from the mains power supply and ensure that the unit is switched off. To install the SIM card, first open the UR201 front panel to access the GSM module inside. After opening the panel, set the transport fuse switch to the off position. Remove the transport fuse to fully disconnect internal power before performing any operation inside the unit. The SIM slot is located on the GSM module inside the UR201. Without a SIM card, all GSM control and monitoring functions are unavailable. The SIM card must be topped up in accordance with the local network provider's requirements. Disconnect the USB plug from the microcomputer board and set it aside. Insert the SIM card with the metal facing down and the cut corner aligned with the slot guide. Reinstall the USB plug into the microcomputer. Reinstall the transport fuse into its socket. Set the transport fuse switch to the on position to restore internal power. Reconnect the UR201 to the mains power supply. Close the front panel. Switch on the UR201 and wait for the power and ready indicators to confirm that the unit has completed the startup procedure. After installing the SIM card, verify the GSM status using the indicator on the front panel. If no SIM card is installed, the GSM indicator will remain off. If the SIM card is installed but no signal is available, the indicator will blink green. If the SIM card is installed and the signal is available, the indicator will be steady green. In the event of a GSM failure, the error indicator flashes red twice. The UR201 communicates with the operator via predefined SMS commands. Each command triggers a specific action, such as activating lights or checking system status. The status command returns a summary of system parameters. To check the system condition, the operator sends an SMS with the command status to the UR201. After a few moments, the unit replies automatically with a message containing key parameters. Illumination status, percentage of system devices online, average battery level, main and backup power status, remote operation mode, and emergency mode activity. For more information, please refer to the UR201 User's Manual. All GSM commands follow a simple text format. Each message begins with the command name, followed by the password, and then any required parameters such as a phone number or value. For example, to register a new user, the message is written as reg, which is the command to register the number. 1111 is the current password. The phone number is an optional value used to define which user number is being registered. If a command does not require a phone number, this value does not need to be included. The same structure applies to other administrative commands such as del or pass. The ABON command is used to check the list of registered phone numbers. After sending the command, the system replies with an SMS containing all registered numbers. In addition to the status command, several other GSM monitoring functions are available. To activate the alarm function, send an SMS with the command alarm on to the UR201. It enables or disables automatic alert messages. To disable it, send an SMS with the command alarm off. Typical automatic notifications include emergency mode activation. Alerts the user that the emergency mode has been activated. Emergency mode device number. This message informs the operator that the emergency switch has been pressed on lamp number 17. It indicates which specific device triggered the emergency mode. The lighting system has switched to emergency operation as a result of this action. UR201 power supply failure. This message indicates that the main power supply of the UR201 unit has failed. The system may continue operating using the backup power source, if available. UR201 backup battery failure. This message informs the operator that the backup battery of the UR201 has reached a critical discharge level. Immediate inspection or replacement of the backup battery is recommended. Online devices less than X%. This message indicates that fewer than the defined percentage of devices are currently online. It suggests communication loss or power issues affecting part of the lighting system. Average devices battery less than X%. This message informs the operator that the average battery level of all connected devices has dropped below the defined threshold. It serves as a warning to schedule charging or maintenance actions. The help command returns a list of all available SMS commands. For example, this is how help reg command works. It displays instructions for the reg command, including its format, required password, and optional phone number. Not every command requires a password when sent from a registered number. Refer to the table for details which command categories require a password. For more information on GSM setup, configuration and troubleshooting, please refer to the UR201 User's Manual.